Good evening. This is News at 8, live from Wisdom Yard Television. I am Odunwayo Adelere. Here are the news headlines. Lagos Assembly insists Obasa'S removal legal as DSS grills lawmakers. No one would know if I separate from my wife, Charlie Boy. Now news in details. The Department of State Services on Thursday grilled members of the Lagos State House of Assembly in connection to a petition reportedly written by the former Speaker of the House, Obasa'S. According to reliable sources, more than half of the lawmakers were interrogated by the DSS for hours on Thursday before they were released in the evening. The DSS investigation followed Obasa'S claims that his removal on January 13 over allegations of misconduct, abuse of office and financial mismanagement was illegal. A source in the DSS, who is not authorized to speak to the press, told the Punch that the lawmakers were invited for questioning. They have been released. They were just invited for questioning based on the incident that happened at the assembly. They were allowed to go immediately after the questioning, the officer said. In a statement, the spokesperson for the assembly, Ogudipe Olukaode, while reacting to their invitation, said the lawmakers visited the DSS to provide insight into the situation on the removal of the ex-speaker. He confirmed that all the members of the assembly earlier detained had regained their freedom. At the DSS office, we reaffirmed our commitment to upholding constitutional governance following the removal of the former speaker. The decision was made in accordance with the provisions of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the Powers and Privileges Act, which empowered the State Assembly to regulate its internal proceedings without external interference. The decision to remove the former speaker was made through a democratic process with the required majority as stipulated by law. Any attempt to challenge this lawful action undermines the authority granted to us by the Nigerian Constitution. Obasa'S, who had been a speaker since 2015 and representing Agege constituency, had insisted upon his return to Lagos from the United States that he was still the speaker. He urged the lawmakers to follow the right process in addressing his removal while maintaining that he had been unfairly targeted. Maverick singer Charlie Oputa, popularly known as Charlie Boy, has urged Nigerian celebrities to stop bringing their private lives to public attention. He gave the advice while reacting to Nigerian power couple to Baba and Annie Idibia's marital crisis in a recent interview with TVC. The Septuagenarian boasted that the public wouldn't be aware if he decided to divorce his wife. I feel sorry for the couple, Two-Face and Annie Idibia. It is unfortunate, but my advice would be, can we just keep our private business private, away from the public? Social media has changed a lot, but it's up to the people too. I am not talking from a sanity perspective. I have had quarrels with my partner, but we settle in the room privately. You don't bring it outside to the public to settle. I think that's wrong, because if I were to stop living with my wife today, nobody would know about it. I won't make noise about it, he said. Before the news comes to an end, here are the headlines once again. Lagos Assembly insists Obasa'S removal legal as DSS grills lawmakers. No one would know if I separate from my wife, Charlie Boy. Thank you for staying tuned. I am Odunwayo Adelere. Do have a lovely night rest.